Doc's saying I can be out on about 8 weeks, so I can be on the bike at 8 weeks.
Well, there it is. If you're looking to go to motocross, you're definitely going to be missing now Tomac and also Cooper Webb for probably the first 2 months ish, which sucks because like both did really well in Supercross. They both looked like they were competitive and probably were going to be competitive in outdoors. And now let's just hand the title over to Jet. Like, let's be honest here. It sucks for these people. Like, obviously Cooper had a really good year. Put the competition to Jet, mid and late of the season, even with a little bit of a thumb injury. Obviously, that's what he's going to have fixed. And if you want to see his whole post, you can watch at the end. It's back there. But it's just, it sucks. He almost came back for the title with an injury, and now it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks off, which at least it's a thumb injury, a hand injury. So you can still do all the cardio, still do maybe some leg work, some weight training, just nothing with the hand, but mostly you're going to stay fit enough to continue racing. I mean, like by the time he gets back on the bike, you probably get a week or two, just to get like race fit, quote unquote. But I when he comes back, I think he's going to be competitive. Obviously, some time off is going to be good for any other injuries he has that are lingering, and most of these guys probably do. But it's sad to see. Hopefully by Southwick, I don't know when that would fall in his recovery time. Hopefully he'll be back because that's the race I'm going to. And it's just one of those things that I'd like to see the most competition you can have because obviously more riders, more top guys, more factory bikes, more factory teams. It just means better competition. I mean, obviously the best guys, you want to see all of them racing all the time because that makes for a more exciting season, more exciting championship run and whatever. Hopefully, he can come back for most of it or at least a good portion of the outdoors and then SMX and be competitive there too. But, you know, it is what it is. Everyone gets injured every once in a while. It's just a sad thing to see, but hopefully he comes back and, we get some good racing, but comments below, you guys tell me. Are you excited for outdoors? Do you think Jet just straight up wins? What round are you going to? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Here in Vail, Colorado, as you can see, have surgery tomorrow on my left thumb. Gonna get it fixed with the ligament damage I have, and looking forward to starting that process. Doc's saying I can be out on about 8 weeks, so I can be on the bike at 8 weeks and get back to work after that. So I just wanted to thank you guys for all your support this year, and we'll be back, try to race as many outdoor nationals as we can and come to SMX and get some redemption.